anything like that, right?
Oh!
He won't bite you, Chad. He doesn't know anything like that.
Yeah, no, he didn't.
He doesn't know this. Put your finger in front of him, like this, Chad. Show him your finger.
Oh, you bit me.
Show me nail first.
No.
No, now he's gonna hump Chad.
Yeah.
Oh,
Really
he's
likes
humping.
He wiggles and he jiggles and he wiggles and he jiggles.
What did you say?
I'm gonna give Albert. I'm gonna give you half an hour to cut that out.
Well, it's not so sure. I'm out.
What? See how he's coming around now? Because he figures he's not gonna worry about me now.
Hi, come on.
Where'd Albert go?
Look at my buddy. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna go get your buddy.
We're
Bye.
gonna talk about the birds and the
Look
bees.
at. Get your buddy. Come on. Come on.
But he sees it. I
Come
love it.
on. Take this buddy. Come on.
Get it, Albert.
Anything that's fabric, he like wants to
Yeah,
clean.
see, now he's relaxed.
Go right ahead. Put it right underneath his belly. He'll jump up if he wants. Hop up. Coming up.
No.
Oh!
No.
No, it doesn't hurt anything. It doesn't hurt anyway when he does it. He doesn't,
You think this is pretty funny over there?
If he bit you, you'd
Oh,
know.
you, Albert.
They can bite. If he bit you, you'd know.
I know.
They can take, he's fast.
Hi.
Look at you over there. Hey, is this recording?